This tutorial shows you how to link video meetings like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. First, go to your video meeting app and copy the link for your meeting room. Then, in Jupyter, go to Setup, Classes and Subjects, and paste in the link for your class here. You can use the same link for multiple classes. Click Copy to All to use the same link for all classes. Or get more links from your meeting app and paste them here for each class. Now, on your dashboard, you can click the Video Meet button to start your meeting. When students log in, they can click your class in Jupyter. Then click the camera icon to join your meeting. You can also attach your meeting link to calendar notices, messages and forums, and even assignments. So it's always easy for students to find your meetings.